the first contact is the most important contact with the patient. You know, if you don't, you know, when the phone rings, that patient, something about what the patient read about the doctor, Dr. Atcha, something about the message that we sent out in our marketing, that the patient, you know, the patient could relate to that message, and that is why they have called us. You know, we could be the first place that they've called, or we could be, you know, the fourth or fifth place that they've called. But whether we're the first, you know, the buck stops with us.
Even when you walk in the door, it's a friendlier place to be at. You know, my kids enjoyed it. I have a 2-year-old and a 5-year-old that, you know, for them to sit in the chair and actually get the work done is pleasant.
Dr. Atcha is absolutely fantastic with patients. The thing with him, the great quality that he possesses is that, you know, he's not just one person. He just doesn't have a one-sided personality. It's not, you know, how it's not like with, you know, they're different people, and there's different ways of dealing with different people. Dr. Atcha is one of the handful of dentists in the country, you know, that are IV trained. They do their own IV sedation. They do really complex procedures. Till date, in all the years that he's been practiced, that he's been placing implants, I don't think there's a single patient that he has turned away from here saying that I cannot help you. There are patients that he has that have come to him from other places, you know, even specialist's office, who have been turned away because they couldn't be helped there. But here, there's not once has he ever had to turn a patient away. Dr. Atcha has seen many patients that have been turned away from other practices or other doctors, other specialists, saying that these patients could not be helped because they probably had very compromised health, or they just had really thin, I'm just going to give you a couple of examples. Their jawbone was really thin, so they couldn't place implants in their jawbone. Dr. Atcha has trained with the best of the best in the world, so he can actually give teeth to people who have a really thin jawbone as well.
I had upper dentures put in, implants, and the whole top of redone, and it was wonderful. They came out wonderful.
Dr. Atcha has a specialty practice, but he also has his general dentistry practice. So nothing in this practice is ever referred out. Our goal, everybody that works here in Dr. Atcha's practice, our goal is to make sure that every patient that comes in here has a pain-free experience, and that, you know, they refer us to other, their friends, their families, their relatives, because, you know, one thing that they remember is that everybody treated them really well, made them feel very comfortable, and it was completely pain-free, and they were very happy, and nobody hurt them, and they were very relaxed, and that is our goal.